Today, I'd like to talk to you something about cellular respiration in biology. In this process, there are three stages. The first stage called glycolysis. And in the first stage, there is a molecule called glucose. It will convert it into pyruvate in the first stage. And then it will go across the cell membrane into the mitochondrial matrix, so that the pyruvate will convert it to the acetyl-CoA, and then the acetyl-CoA will let us go to the second stage in this process, which called citric acid cycle. And during this cycle, the NADH and FADH2 will be produced. Also, the cycle will produce the ATP and release some carbon dioxide. And then the electrons on NADH and FADH2 will help create the third stage of the process, which called electron transport chain, also called ETC. And in the ETC, there are three proton pumps, and the electrons will go across the pumps like this, so that they will be transferred from the mitochondrial matrix to the intermembrane space of mitochondria. And also the pumps will pump the electrons, and then they will convert it to the hydrogen protons. And the hydrogen protons, they are in the high concentration. They will build the high concentration gradients, so that the gradients in mitochondrial matrix and in the intermembrane space will be different. And then we will come to the last part of the process, which is called ATP synthesis. And the hydrogen protons, which are in the intermembrane space, they will go across the membrane so that they can stay here. And then there will be some oxygen which can come passively from the membrane. They can also stay here. So that these two molecules will combine together, and they will produce a molecule called H2O, which is also water. And then in the hydrogen protons, which are still here, they will go across the ATP synthesis, so that they will form some ATP. And then all the ATPs and energy molecules which are produced by the whole cellular respiration will help the cell to be active and can do their cell activities.